Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have a very nice day in store for us today with temperatures expected in the upper 60s. It's about 10 degrees above what we normally see this time of year and a welcome change from the cool conditions that we have seen over the course of the last month. Looking at the high temperatures from yesterday, we saw a high of 56 here at Wallops. A little warmer over in the Tidewater region, 65 degrees at Newport News, 63 at Norfolk, 65 degrees at Richmond was the warmest of all of the reporting stations throughout the local region. Overnight last night, temperatures generally running in the 40s for overnight lows, 46 degrees here at Wallops. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours, and as of 9 a.m. we see partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies throughout much of the area, as we do have a fair amount of upper level cloudiness streaming through the region, and those temperatures up to around 56 degrees here at Wallops as of 9 a.m. As of 10 a.m. those temperatures have pushed close to about 60 degrees, and we are going to continue to see that warming trend over the next few hours. Looking at our upper level winds from this morning's balloon release, generally a southwesterly to a westerly flow from the surface all the way up to 25,000 feet. We see an increase in our winds at the 25,000 foot level at 32 knots, but that's the strongest we can find throughout the first 25,000 feet with that westerly wind flow at 25,000 feet, looking at 32 knots there at that level. Freezing level this morning was at 8,500 feet. Current surface analysis showing that frontal boundary still well off to our northwest, high pressure over the southeastern United States, and these two systems are combining to give us a southerly flow this morning and providing us with some warming conditions over the course of today and tomorrow before this front will make its way through and give us a cooler shot of air by Sunday afternoon. But for us today and tomorrow, we're going to see breezy and mild conditions. We'll see partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies, as well as we'll see a fair amount of upper level clouds begin to stream through in the area. You can see here on our infrared satellite plenty of cloudiness off to our northwest, still seeing some sunshine here at Wallops, which will continue throughout most of the day today. But tomorrow we'll see much of the same with a little bit more upper level cloudiness in store for us, but mild conditions continuing as that front draws in the warmer air out ahead of it. Looking at our radar, precipitation well off to our northwest up into Pennsylvania this morning. We are going to remain dry here at Wallops today and throughout the day tomorrow before those showers start to impact us on Sunday. Forecast map showing the progression of this frontal boundary over the course of the next couple of days. You can see by the midday hours today, front still well off to our north, and by later on tonight really doesn't make much headway as it's still stationary across the Midwest. But as we go throughout the day on Saturday, the front will start to make its way a little farther south. Saturday evening, front still stretched through the Midwest and down toward the deep south at this point, bringing in some very mild conditions with those overnight low temperatures Saturday night, really not getting any lower than about 52 degrees. And then as we go through the day on Sunday, we'll see the rain showers begin by the mid to late morning hours, and also the cold air arriving as well. So our daytime high will likely occur right around 9 or 10 o'clock before those temperatures really start to fall off the table and fall into the 50s and even to the upper 40s by the time we get into the late afternoon hours of Sunday. Those rain showers should come to an end during the early evening hours, with Sunday evening into Monday morning really clearing out quickly. Winds will be out of a northwesterly direction, and we'll see those temperatures falling to around freezing by Monday morning. So taking a look at our next 24 hours, you're going to see the conditions pretty much the same today and tomorrow, with mild southerly flow and partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. Those temperatures should warm to around 68 degrees for a daytime high today, with the winds gusting to around 20 knots during the afternoon, so it does look like they will stay under wind advisory criteria throughout the day today. Tonight, expecting an overnight low temperature around 50 degrees, and then for Saturday we're going to see those temperatures warming up once again to around 68 degrees. Could see a little bit breezier conditions for your Saturday than what we see today, with the threat for those winds gusting over 25 knots at times during the afternoon. Looks like we'll have about a 30% chance that those winds will get to 25 knot level during the afternoon hours of Saturday. And then for Saturday night, seeing mostly cloudy, breezy, and mild conditions with a low of 52. Sunday, we're going to see that rain begin to impact the area. Again, it looks like right around 10 o'clock in the morning is when we should start to see those showers move into the area, and the cooler conditions as well. It will be breezy at times during the day on Sunday, and those temperatures maxing out in the morning hours right around 64 degrees, and then temperatures falling during the late morning and afternoon hours, likely seeing the temperatures in the upper 40s by late in the afternoon on Sunday. So for your next 7 days, looking at a couple of areas of precipitation impacting the region over the course of the next 7 days. Sunday, with the frontal boundary passage, we'll see those showers. Shouldn't see too heavy for the intensity for precipitation on Sunday, probably only picking up between 1/10 and 2/10 of an inch of rain. And then as we go into Monday, you should see a brief period of mostly sunny skies as that high pressure quickly moves in from the west behind this frontal boundary, and then we'll see an area of low pressure begin to develop across the deep south on Tuesday and begin to ride up the southeast coast. Right now, still a lot of uncertainty about the exact track of this area of low pressure and its intensity, but it does look like it will be close enough to bring us some rain during the late portion of Tuesday and early portion of Wednesday. Certainly want to keep our eyes on this storm, as it could be a rather intense area of low pressure, and if it does move close to us, could see a pretty big impact from this storm Tuesday into Wednesday. So again, still looking at some model disagreements as far as how close it will approach this here at Wallops, but something to keep our eye on, and hopefully it will be far enough off the coast that we don't see major impacts from the system Tuesday into Wednesday. That'll wrap it up for our weather briefing today. We'll be back again Monday morning with our briefings at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.